Hey guys, airsoftnonamer here, and I got another unboxing for you guys today. This unboxing is for Christmas, and I'm gonna have several unboxings of these. This one's from Tiger111HK, and I got this for Christmas. And let's unbox this. Let's see what we got here. Got myself a backpack. This is CORDURA. Right here. So look forward to the review. Okay guys, airsoftnonamer here, and I got 3 more packages for you guys to unbox, and Merry Christmas to you all, and Happy Holidays. Let's unbox this one, and then this, and then the parcel. All right. Okay. So this package is from RedWolf Airsoft, and I used their 3-day express, the fastest one, for $30, but it got stuck in customs for a couple of days. So yeah. All right. Okay. Seems to be well packaged. This is you'll see in a second. Really nice package. And this is what I got. This is the Marui Hi-Capa 5.1. And this is going to be used for my IPSC build. Let's have a quick unboxing right here. So, manual, and made in Japan. Oh, this feels nice. Really nice. Oh, magazine. Oh man, this is nice. Alright, putting this aside, and let's keep on unboxing. Okay, next up we got some, I believe these are parts for my Hi-Capa. Let's unbox this. Alright. Okay. These are upgrade parts that I purchased off of AIP. These are upgrade parts for it. And as you can see, I'm gonna be doing more reviews and stuff. And I'm gonna be doing a series for gas blowback pistols. For Tokyo Marui and stuff. So, let's see. Yep. So I got some blowback housings, some triggers, some hop-up rubbers, blowbacks. I got the scope mount, but I actually got you'll see in the next unboxing something else for the Hi-Capa. So let's move these all to the side. Okay, last unboxing. This is from Get Reload. This is from Get Reload, and let's unbox this. So what it is a 5KU scope mount. And I'll be doing a review on this later soon. And this scope mount can be mounted on the Hi-Capas, but you don't have to do any drilling, unlike these. You have to do drilling. But I got this in case in the future I want to do some drilling to it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll have links to the reviews of these products. Thank you guys for watching. Happy holidays.